we're going to divide polynomials by other polynomials, in this case a binomial, using the same division algorithm or procedure that we use for long division in arithmetic. So here's how the procedure works. There's just a couple of little changes that we use along the way because we have letters and negative signs to play with. First, we're going to look at our first term, 5x cubed, and x. So we'll take 5x cubed divided by x and get 5x squared. That becomes our trial divisor, 5x squared. Next, we'll take that 5x squared and multiply it by the divisor, which is x plus 4, and put our answer right here. So that will be 5x to the third and plus 20x squared. Now we know when we're doing arithmetic we have to subtract there. We're going to subtract by adding the opposite. So that means we're going to change the signs like so and perform that addition. And the first terms, the x cubed terms, drop out. That's the way we set the problem up. That always happens. And then we have 16 minus 20x squared is going to give us negative 4x squared. And we'll bring down the other terms. In arithmetic, we bring down the next digit. We're bringing down the terms. Then we want to start all over again. So we'll take negative 4x squared and divide it by x. And that will give us negative 4x. So we'll put that up here. That's the second part to our quotient, which is an answer. Negative 4x times x plus 4 is going to give us our next value, negative 4x squared, and then minus 16x. We want to add the opposite here. That will change this sign and this one. And now we can add. And when we add these, the x squareds drop out this time, and we're left with 17x, and we'll bring down the 60. We have just one more version to go then. 17x over x is 17. And we'll put that up here. And 17 times x plus 4 is 17x plus 17 times 4 is 68. We'll change the signs, add the opposite, and that will leave us with no x terms, but it will leave us with negative 8. And that's our remainder. So we'll come up here and we'll write plus negative 8 over x plus 4. If you prefer to write negative or minus 8 over x plus 4, you can do that. This is just one way of writing the remainder in the same way that we often use in arithmetic doing long division. So we take step-by-step procedure here, but we keep doing the same procedure over and over. You take the leading term, divide it by the leading term of the divisor. Change the signs and add, so you're really subtracting, adding the opposites, bringing down the next terms, and continuing on until you either get no remainder or your remainder written as a fraction at the